Hello friends, is your car having trouble starting or is the check engine light on? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0618, it means there's a problem with the alternative fuel control module communication circuit. This issue can cause misfires, starting problems, and fuel system malfunctions. In this video I'll explain what P0618 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0618? The P0618 code stands for Alternative Fuel Control Module Communication Circuit Malfunction. This means the powertrain control module is unable to properly communicate with the AFCM. If this happens, your car may not be able to switch fuel sources properly, leading to performance issues. Common symptoms of P0618, check engine light, CEL, is on difficulty starting the engine. Poor fuel economy, rough idling or misfires, loss of power or hesitation when accelerating. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0618, check these key components. Alternative Fuel Control Module, AFCM. Location, usually mounted near the fuel tank or under the hood. Function, controls the switch between conventional fuel and alternative fuels, such as ethanol, natural gas, or LPG. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, communicates with the AFCM to manage fuel delivery. Fuel pressure sensor. Location, mounted on the fuel rail or near the fuel tank. Function, measures fuel pressure and sends data to the PCM and AFCM, fuel injectors and wiring harness. Location, on the engine intake manifold. Function, delivers fuel to the engine controlled by PCM and AFCM. AFCM wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the PCM and the AFCM. Function, transmits signals between the modules for fuel control. Tip, if the AFCM loses communication with the PCM, the vehicle may default to a limp mode, reducing engine performance. Common causes of P0618. Common causes of P0618: 1. Faulty alternative fuel control module, AFCM. If damaged, it won't communicate with the PCM. 2. Bad PCM. If the PCM fails, it can't send or receive signals from the AFCM. 3. Damaged wiring or connectors. Corrosion, cuts, or loose connections can disrupt communication. 4. Blown fuse in the AFCM circuit. A power loss to the module will trigger P0618. 5. Software issue in PCM or AFCM. Corrupt firmware may need reprogramming. 6. Fuel pressure sensor malfunction. Incorrect readings can cause control issues. 7. Short or open circuit in the CAN bus system. The controller area network, CAN bus, is responsible for communication between these modules. How to fix P0618? How to fix P0618? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0618 code and check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect AFCM wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 3. Check the AFCM fuse and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to the fuel control module. Step 4. Test the fuel pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to verify it's sending proper voltage. Step 5. Inspect the CAN bus wiring. If there's a break in the communication circuit, repair the wires. Step 6. Reset the PCM and AFCM. Sometimes a hard reset or software update can restore communication. Step 7. Replace the AFCM or PCM if necessary. If everything else checks out, one of these modules may need replacement. Final words. Ignoring P0618 can lead to starting issues, poor fuel efficiency, and rough performance. Fixing this issue ensures smooth engine operation and prevents unexpected breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0490. Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Control circuit high, P0491. Secondary air injection system insufficient flow. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.